expert panel on future industry challenges, a virtual panel discussion featuring experts in quality and environmental management. They are discussing the key challenges facing the industry in the coming years.
Welcome everyone to our panel discussion on future industry challenges. Today, we have assembled a group of leading experts to share their insights on the key trends, challenges, and opportunities facing the fields of quality and environmental management in the coming years.
Let me introduce our panelists. Elena Rossi, Sustainability Director at Global Manufacturing, Marco Bianchi, Quality Management Consultant, Sofia Chen, Environmental Compliance Officer.
Thank you all for joining us. Let's start with our first question. What do you see as the biggest challenges facing organizations in terms of quality management over the next decade?
Thank you, Dr. Chen. I believe that one of the biggest challenges will be adapting to the increasing complexity of supply chains. Global supply chains are becoming more interconnected and fragmented, which makes it more difficult to ensure consistent quality and ethical sourcing. If we want to maintain high standards, we will have to implement more robust supplier management systems and leverage technology to improve traceability and transparency.
I agree with that point. Another challenge will be integrating sustainability into quality management. Customers are increasingly demanding products and services that are both high quality and environmentally sustainable. If organizations want to remain competitive, they will have to find ways to integrate these two seemingly disparate goals.
I think the biggest challenge will be adapting to rapidly changing regulatory requirements. Environmental regulations are becoming more stringent and complex, which requires organizations to invest in sophisticated compliance systems and expertise. Under no circumstances can we afford to be non-compliant.
Those are all excellent points. What specific steps can organizations take to address these challenges proactively?
I believe that one of the most important steps is to invest in employee training and development. If we want our employees to be able to adapt to new technologies and regulations, we need to provide them with the necessary skills and knowledge.
I agree. We also need to embrace data analytics and artificial intelligence. If we can harness the power of data, we can identify patterns, predict problems, and improve our decision-making.
We have to engage with stakeholders more effectively. Our customers, suppliers, and communities are increasingly demanding transparency and accountability. If we want to build trust and maintain our reputation, we need to listen to their concerns and respond effectively.
Those are all valuable recommendations. Let's shift our focus to the environmental side. What do you see as the biggest challenges facing organizations in terms of environmental management over the next decade?
I think the biggest challenge will be adapting to climate change. Climate change is already having a significant impact on our planet, and those impacts are only going to intensify in the coming years. Organizations will have to find ways to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, adapt to changing weather patterns, and manage water resources more effectively.
I agree. Another challenge will be transitioning to a circular economy. Our current linear model of production and consumption is simply unsustainable. If we want to preserve resources for future generations, we need to move toward a system that minimizes waste and maximizes reuse.
And I think the biggest challenge will be balancing environmental sustainability with economic growth. Many organizations are hesitant to invest in sustainability initiatives because they fear it will hurt their bottom line. If we want to make real progress, we need to demonstrate the business value of sustainability.
Those are all critical points. What specific strategies can organizations use to address these environmental challenges?
I believe that one of the most important strategies is to set ambitious but achievable targets. Organizations need to establish clear, measurable goals for reducing their environmental impact and track their progress over time.
I agree. We also need to embrace innovation and technology. New technologies are emerging all the time that can help us reduce our environmental footprint. We should be actively seeking out and implementing these technologies.
And we need to engage with our supply chains to promote sustainable practices. Many of our environmental impacts occur outside our direct operations, so it's essential to work with our suppliers to reduce their environmental footprint as well.
These are all excellent recommendations. Thank you all for sharing your insights. It's clear that the fields of quality and environmental management are facing significant challenges, but there are also tremendous opportunities for those who are willing to adapt, innovate, and collaborate. What specific action will you take to prepare for the future challenges in your field?